From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the stock markets in America, and this is the S&P 500. You can see a very strong move during the trading session on Tuesday, slamming into the 2800 level. This is a strong sign. However, there are so many moving pieces right now, and there are trend lines that we've sliced through. We're one tweet away from something ugly happening. So we'll have to see. I suspect we'll probably try to break above 2,800, but I also think that waiting for the next 24 hours to let the market tell you what it's going to do is probably the prudent thing to do at this point. We have the jobs number on Friday, and that, of course, comes into play as well. So while this does look rather confident, when you step back and you look at this longer-term chart, you can see there's been a lot of technical damage done. So let's let the market tell us where to go next. Right now, it's literally a 50-50 shot. NASDAQ 100 showed strength at 7,000, closing just below the 200-day EMA. So that's something worth paying attention to as well. We'll see how the day closes. If we can clear 7,250 on a daily close, then okay, we can start to talk about bullish pressure. But this is a market that's very sensitive to the U.S.-Chinese problems. So again, I would prefer to base my trade upon the daily candlestick. And even though this is a very good looking candlestick, we've got the 200-day EMA, we've got obvious structural resistance just above. Sometimes you get paid to wait, and I think that's what this situation is.